Welcome, in front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and in this video I will show you what to do if you can't access your device using your password. So in such case, first of all, try to memorize the last password that worked for you and try to enter it. And if you cannot succeed and your device doesn't let you in, then maybe your phone is lagging, and you can try booting up into the safe mode. To do that, hold down the power key until you see this menu appearing on your screen, and then select restart. And after your phone starts restarting, hold down the volume up key for a while until it reboots. Usually it takes up to 10 seconds, maybe 15. And once your device reboots, it will reboot into the fast boot mode. Right here, click the volume down key to select the recovery mode and press power button to confirm. In a couple of seconds, it will boot up into the recovery mode, and from there we'll be able to go to the safe mode. Now, when you see the recovery mode screen on your device, click right here, then here, to boot up into the safe mode, where you'll be able to reattempt entering your password. And now, when your device is in the safe mode, you can try entering the password again, and if you succeed, you can go into settings mode, select fingerprint, face and password, and either disable lock screen password or change it to any other. And once you do that, simply hold down the power key and select restart and wait until your phone reboots and try entering your password again. Now, if this doesn't help you and you still can't access your device, then in such case you'll have to do one of the following. The best option, I think, in this case would be to try to reach out to VIVO customer support service, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your phone without removing any personal data information from your device. Now, if this option isn't available for you, maybe you lost the check and you cannot prove the ownership of your device to them, then you'll have to perform factory reset operation. It will erase all data from your phone, but you will be able to regain access to it once again. Now, to do that, you can either use a recovery mode, which I just showed you. I just showed you how to enter recovery mode, but if you don't know how to navigate in recovery mode and how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode, you can watch the full video, which will explain to you step by step how to perform factory reset using recovery mode on this VIVO iQOO Neo 7 smartphone. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. Alternatively, you can perform factory reset operation using Find My Device feature. If you have Google account connected to your device, you can simply enter Find Hub service on Google using any of your other devices. Once you enter it, select log into to your Google account that is connected to the smartphone, then select this device and select factory reset and once your device is fully reset, you'll be able to set it up once again. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.